Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Dear students, here is a recruitment update for you from the DRDO. Yes, what you need to do, you need to visit the official website drdo.gov.in. Once you will come on this one, here you can see in the vacancies, in the latest vacancy section, you can see some walk-in interviews are here for the post of junior research fellowship. Yes, okay, here you can see this is for the not for the engineers. Here we are having for the Kanpur. Final result is also there. Now I will talk about these two, which is ADE Bangalore. Okay, calls for walk-in interview for award of research. I will show you here. Form filling already started from the 27th February. Last date will be means this already started. The process will end up to the 24th March. Okay, we will have a discussion. Once you will click here on the view more, you can see the detailed advertisement. I will show you here. Second, we are having here DESI DOC Delhi calls for walk-in interview for the post of junior research fellowship, which again ends on the 25th of the March. Okay, so these two are the latest one. Here you can check this one also for the engineering students. Okay, and the remainings are here, but not for the engineering students. Let's see here what you need to do. Once you will click on this one, let's have a discussion. First of all, this is the walk-in interview for the award of research fellowship in ADE Bangalore. Okay, submission of application by mail from 4th March 2026 to 24th March 2026. So form filling from mail already started from 4th March to the 24th March. Okay, you can go for this form filling. All right, now what they are having here, ADE is Aeronautical Development Establishment Bangalore, a premier laboratory of the Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO invites application from the meritorious Indian national for award of the research fellowship. Okay, they mention here in which domain they want. So first of all, aero or mechanical engineering. Who can apply? ME MTech in first division in aeronautical or mechanical engineering can apply here. If you are having PhD, then also you are eligible here. ठीक है, ME MTech experience in research and design related to the aircraft. ठीक है, here you should have minimum 3-year experience. Number of vacancy 1 है, and the walk-in interview will be there directly on the 9th April 2026. The post name is research associate RA. ठीक है. Then next year we can go for aero, electronics or material engineering. Okay, who can apply? ME MTech or PhD in first division in aeronautical, electronics, material engineering, having expertise related to this one. Okay, here also they are talking about with minimum of the 2 year of the experience in the above domain. Desirable they mention here. Number of vacancy 1 hai. Again the walk-in will be on the 9th April beta. Okay, then here we can go for the JRF, junior research. Okay, in the research associate only masters students or PhD students can apply. यहाँ पे research associate में कोई भी engineering student BTech वाला बच्चा apply नहीं कर सकता है. But here you can go for this one for the junior research JRF. ठीक है, JRF aeronautical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science engineering and electronics and communication engineering. All these domains students are eligible here. Who can apply BTech in first division with the valid GATE scorecard, or if you are applying with the BTech, then you can go, you should have the valid GATE scorecard, or ME MTech first division both at the graduate and post graduate level. तो ME MTech के बेसिस पे अप्लाई करते हो तो विदाउट गेट स्कोर कार्ड, और BTech के बेसिस पे विद गेट स्कोर कार्ड. 3 वैकेंसीज, एरोनॉटिकल, मैकेनिकल 1, computer 1 or electronics 1. The walk-in will be on the 7th and the 8th April 2026 they mention here. Okay, now here we can go for this one, shortlisted and will be informed over okay by this one. Now this is the thing, and here you can go for valid GATE score is essential for the BTech students. They mention it clearly here. They mention even the application form which you need to fill and you need to submit. Acha, I think they mention about here the stipend also, right? Okay, for the fellowship emoluments, research associate will get 67,000 per month, while the junior research fellowship, okay, JRF will get 37,000 per month with applicable HRA as per the rules. This tenure is initially for the 2 years period and then it will be extendable है ना. तो 2 year का contract basis एक fellowship है, you can go for it. Research associate में 67,000 और यहाँ पे 37,000 rupees they mention here. ठीक है, now more and less you can go for this one. यहाँ एक फॉर्म भी इन्होंने लिखा है, एड्रेस भी मेंशन किया है, and this form you need to submit they mention here. Similarly, if you want to check for that one, Delhi वाला जो था सिविल लाइंस Delhi walk-in interview for the post of junior research fellowship, here you can go for directly only and only junior research fellowship, laboratory science. ठीक है, library and information science, sorry. Here the next is junior research fellowship, computer science and engineering 1 vacancy. BTech चाहिए with valid GATE scorecard, या फिर BTech इसमें हो और ME MTech हो फर्स्ट डिवीजन तो विदाउट GATE scorecard भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Then here CS के लिए तो यहाँ पे एक ही है, दिल्ली वाले में 37,000 पर मंथ एंड अपर एज लिमिट इज 28 ईयर्स. इफ यू वांट यू कैन अप्लाई हियर. वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज मेंशन हियर. ठीक है, वॉक इन फॉर इंटरव्यू एट द वेन्यू ऑफ द डेट एंड टाइम मेंशन. डेट एंड टाइम कब है? इंटरव्यू है 25 मार्च 2026 9 AM पे है. यू कैन गो देयर एंड यू कैन सबमिट द फॉर्म ऑल्सो, इवन दे मेंशन हियर. तो ये 2 जगह है. इसके अलावा भी हियर इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेक फॉर मोर ऑल्सो. DRDO डिफेंस यहाँ पे भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. वंस यू विल क्लिक किया तो यू कैन गो फॉर, जहां भी जब भी आता है DRDO में रिसर्च के लिए, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस वन, यू कैन गो फॉर इट एंड ठीक है, एंड यू कैन एक्सप्लोर दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर यू. ऑलराइट गाइस, थैंक यू.